In this example, we're given two ordered pair points, -1, 0, and 1, 2. Now, I named them myself. I named the ordered pairs in the first point, x sub 1 for the first coordinate, y sub 1 for the second. And then for the second point, the second ordered pair, x sub 2 is 1 and y sub 2 is equal to 2. Now we're asked to find the distance and the midpoint, and we know both of those formulas. Let's start with the distance formula. It's equal to the square root, parenthesis, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus, parenthesis, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And we know what each of those variables, x and y, are from our description here and here. So let's just plug them into the formula. It's equal to 1, and then the formula says subtract. The next coordinate, x sub 1, is a negative number. -1, all in the big parenthesis squared, plus y sub 2 is 2, minus y sub 1 is 0, parenthesis squared. Now simplify inside the parentheses. We get d is equal to the square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared. But if you square 2, you get 2 times 2. So you'll get the square root of 4 plus 4, which is equal to the square root of 8. So now you just need to simplify the square root of this number by factoring out any perfect square factors. 4 is a factor of 8 because 8 is equal to 4 times 2, and 4 is a perfect square. So we busted out square root of 4 times square root of 2. We evaluate the part in the circle, that's square root of 4, which is equal to 2. 2 times the square root of 2, and we're finished. Now the midpoint. The midpoint formula, xy, is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2 for the first coordinate, comma, the next coordinate, y, is y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. We already know what's playing the role of x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2 up there in the red circles. So let's plug them into this formula. The first coordinate is -1 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Simplify each of those, 0 divided by 2, comma, 2 over 2, and that equals the ordered pair 0, 1. That is our midpoint.